In this video, I'm showing you the foods that I bought for my meal prep. If you'd like to see that video, the link will be below. This is my Whole Foods mini haul. First, starting over here, if you haven't had these California burgers, this is how they look. And this is the garlic granules. These I feel have more of a taste to them than the garlic powder. I just got a small orange juice because I like to buy it at Costco, but this is just for tonight. These are really flavorful tomato paste. In case I make my own ketchup, my homemade ketchup, but these are really good. They're organic, they're in glass, there's no salt added, and it comes from Italy. So I really enjoy getting these. Then there's the unsweetened coconut milk. These two are for my mom. I usually drink almond milk from Trader Joe's, if I have almond milk at all. These, I love these mini peppers. I get them here, I get them at Trader Joe's, I get them wherever I find mini peppers on sale. And I tried to find a bag that had more red peppers. So this has more red and also orange because I feel like they're sweeter. And of course, my favorite, riced cauliflower from Whole Foods. Well, the Whole Foods brand. I try to buy all Whole Foods brand because it's cheaper. So these are the organic Mediterranean blend. I like these, though if you do roast them, the zucchini comes out it doesn't come out well. But everything else holds up pretty well when you roast it. So this is gonna be for stir fry. I love these little hand sanitizer wipes. I've been getting these for years and years, and they smell like lavender. This baby spinach I use to make my spinach soup, and I have my spinach soup every day. Oh, I also put spinach in my smoothies. The broccoli florets, we get the big bag because we love broccoli every night almost. Disinfecting wipes, I've been using these for years. They're really good. And the maple buckwheat flakes, these are gluten-free. My mom mostly eats these. I do eat these sometimes, and they're really tasty. I do like putting a tiny bit of maple syrup on them, even though it already says maple. It tastes amazing when you put maple syrup on it. So these are the things I got from Whole Foods today. I went to Trader Joe's tonight to get some meal prep items. That's how they look in the bag. The cauliflower gnocchi, this is gonna be delicious. I've made this before, and it's amazing air fried. I got 2 bags. I got my favorite organic vegetable broth. I was using the Engine 2 brand, but Whole Foods discontinued it, so now it's all Trader Joe's because this has amazing ingredients. Nothing weird. I have this organic orange juice. I use this for my smoothies, for my sauces. I take my supplements with this. Orange juice. My favorite maple syrup. I love the amber color. This Trader Joe's organic marinara sauce. There's no salt added. And there's no fat added. It's amazing. It's really good. I honestly do add some more garlic and onion when I use it, but it's really good. I got these grilled asparagus spears. These are really flavorful, probably because they're grilled, and I'm using them in one of my recipes. The last thing I got was a fire roasted bell peppers and onions. And this is great. It's true. The quick fix. You can use this for anything. And that's all.